Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before.
Hello guys, magandang araw sa ating lahat at nandito na naman si Don Rich. Nagbabalik na naman sa aking vlog at pupunta na naman ako guys ng Batangas. Nasugbo Batangas guys at pupuntahan ko yung Layo-Layo Beach Cove and Resort. Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Layo-Layo Beach Cove Resort and Hotel. Yan guys, matatagpuan ito sa Nasugbo, Batangas. So dito guys, iikot ko kayo dito sa loob ng kanilang beach resort at hanggang doon sa kanilang beach front at pati dito sa loob ng kanilang hotels guys. So mamaya magbibigay ako ng grade ng highest para makakuha kayo ng idea guys, para makakuha ka ng idea kung maganda ba puntahan. So ibibigay ko na grade guys, magkakaroon na kayo ng idea nito dahil ang ibibigay ko na highest grade is 10 at kung magbigay ko mamaya ng grade makakuha na kayo ng idea kung ito ba ay maganda at pwede yung puntahan. So guys, lalo na sa mga prices, sa kanilang mga accommodation at yung place guys na beach, kung ito ba ay maganda para sa inyo guys. Pabalik ako mamaya.
Got cut and died, had 7 days since I tried to rip it.
So yan guys, yung kanilang open cottage andito sa Layo-Layo Beach Resort. Ayan, ito yung gate nila papunta dun sa seashore. Ayan guys, wow, napakaganda, white sand guys. So dito guys, iikot ko kayo dito at maya maya mag-grade na ako dito dahil sa nakita ko guys, mukhang maganda ang grade ko para dito. So abangan mamaya guys, pagbabalik ko kasi iikot pa ako guys.
Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But
ayan guys, nakita nyo na ang pag-iikot ko dito sa kanilang beach, ang kanilang beach front. Ayan guys, kung nakita nyo yung mga may beach umbrella dun sa harapan ng beach guys, napakaganda dyan mag-stay. Lalo na sa overnight na malaki ang buwan, ang sarap mag-standby dyan. So guys, kita nyo na, para sa akin to guys, mukhang maganda talaga ang grade ko para dito. So mamaya guys, bagong lahat at magpasalamat muna ako sa mga nagsasubscribe sa aking channel guys. Maraming salamat sa mga nagsubscribe at sa mga hindi pa nagsubscribe guys, please subscribe na kayo at para na rin kayo nakakapunta ng iba't ibang lugar kung lagi nyo subaybayan itong mga video ko guys, kasi papakita ko sa inyo talaga yung mga magagandang beach, kasi beach ang target ko guys. So dito magbibigay na ako ng grade dito guys para sa aking nakikita, ang aking naobserbahan o aking na-experience dito sa lugar ng Layo-Layo Beach Cove Resort and Hotel. So guys, ito yung kanilang beach front, nakita nyo naman nga, ang ganda guys, diba? So ito, recommend ako itong beach na to na puntahan. Napakaganda puntahan to guys, lalo na pag malaki ang buwan, kasi guys, front ng buwan. So napakaganda guys. Lahat ng gusto magbakasyon guys, puntahan nyo itong lugar na to kasi affordable naman. At yung ibang details na pala, panoorin, basahin nyo na lang sa akin description. Ilalagay ko lahat dito sa description ko guys. So para dito, ayan guys, magbibigay na ako ng grade sa Layo-Layo Beach Resort. So guys, ibibigay ko na grade is 9 para sa akin guys, 9 para sa akin kasi nagustuhan ko talaga itong beach na to. 9, highest of 10 grades tayo. So lahat ng mga subscriber, sana makakuha kayo ng idea or dagdag ako para sa idea nyo sa lugar na to. Ito guys, ayan, napakaganda. So guys, sana huwag kayong magsawa at sundan nyo pa ang aking mga videos para dito guys, dito may naipakita ko naman talaga sa inyo. Ayan guys, oh, napakagandang lugar. Sana subaybayan nyo palagi ang aking mga videos at sana mag-subscribe kayo guys para makatulong din tayo sa mga nangangailangan pagdating ng panahon. So guys, maraming salamat at hanggang dito na muna ako at ako'y maliligo na rin maya. So guys, thank you very much. Sana magkaroon na kayo ng idea at pupuntahan nyo itong lugar na to guys dahil napakaganda. Layo Beach Resort and Hotel. Dito matatagpuan sa Nasugbo, Batangas guys. Thank you very much at huwag kalimutan mag-love. Don't Reach Channel.
I had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as loud.
Shoutout nga pala kay Bike Tayo. Shoutout na kita, Bike Tayo. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay niyo sa aking vlog at videos. Thank you very much, Bike Tayo.
Your eyes, stranger eyes. Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. To rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger